Bird, oh. Ah, tupad ang bird, no? Hi! Hello! Hi, Isa Marie. Good afternoon. This is Papalo again. And Isa Marie. Isa Marie, say hi sila. Hi. Oh, hi. Hello. 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 Walang to. Damo galantaw si mo. Hi. Yes. We are here right now outside. And we are watching the birds flying by. And as we are watching those birds, we have our little merienda. Isa Marie loves to eat this. Yes, breadsticks. Makaon kami ng breadsticks. Okay. Now, we have seen a lot of birds flying by. And hopefully, we will also see some butterflies. Anyway, good afternoon again. And pamahaw man kamo dira, rasa mo ni Isa, no pamahaw kami. Na Isa Marina, bye for now. Bye. Bye na sa ila. Bye na. My love, my love. Bye.